it's easier than ever to get blog sites such as Blogger and QuickTime to allow you to create real looking websites. What I want to show you real quick is how to use blogger.com to create what looks like a real website and not just a blog. What you see on the screen is the dashboard for my existing blog on Blogger, and next to it I have a preview of the actual blog. You see this is one that I don't actively use anymore, so I'm just kind of using it to experiment. And here you see that this blog is just a traditional blog with a scroll of posts. And what I want to do is create a home page so that this looks more like a website. So I'm coming over to my dashboard, and I'm going to come into my blog and get into the settings for this specific blog. If you haven't been to blogger.com in a while, you see that it has a lot more options than it used to have. Specifically, off to the left, we're going to look at this column of tools right here, and I'm going to click where it says Pages. This is where you can create other pages for your website, and it automatically names your blog as your home page. What I'm going to do is make a new page right here, and you see that I have the choice of making my own blank page, which I can add text and media to, or just redirecting to a web address. And what that means is that a link will be added to my Blogger page, which just redirects to another page. I'll show you that in just a second. For right now, I'm going to make a blank page, and I'll make this a placeholder for a future home page. So I'm going to call this Welcome at the top, and I'll just give a little bit of text right now. Welcome to my website. You see that you can choose to edit in HTML code directly or here. And now I'm going to hit publish. So now you see that I have my blog is still here called Home, and I have this other page called Welcome. I'm at this point going to rename my blog so that it is called Blog instead of Home. And I'm going to make this Welcome page the top page on my site. And to do that, I'm just going to click and drag it above the blog. And I'm going to hit Save Arrangement. But if I come over here to my blog and refresh the page, I don't get what I expect. It doesn't look any different at all. So there's actually one more step that you have to do. And you see that there's this option here that says Show Pages As, and the default is Don't Show. I need to click there and select whether I want the pages to show as links along the top of my site or along the side. And I'm going to choose along the top. Again, I'm going to hit Save Arrangement. And now when I preview my blog, I do have two links here, a welcome page, which again just says welcome to my website, and a blog page. And you see that in my template, these links are very faint, and I'll need to go do some editing there. So I can now add as many sites as I want. So if this website is for school, I might add another blank page that I put a bunch of links to my students' websites. And then I might add a link to my other website. So I might do a new page and this time choose web address. And this one is going to be called Aaron's site and I might link to my existing tutorials and hit save. Again, I need to save the arrangement. And now when I come over here and update, you see that I have all 4 links, my new page, and again this one which will link to another website. Okay, so these options in Blogger really allow you to make this simple blog interface look more like a website, and they allow you to do quite a bit within it.